Meaning of homage.
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 Homage. Homage refers to a special honor or tribute paid to someone or something that is held in high regard. It can be expressed through various actions such as verbal expressions, gifts, or physical gestures. The word originates from the medieval Latin word homagium, which referred to a vassal's formal oath of allegiance to his lord. In contemporary usage, homage is often used to describe an act of respect or admiration towards a person, cultural icon, or artistic work. Overall, paying homage conveys a sense of deep appreciation and recognition for someone or something of significance.